Juan de la Cruz. Kichkilem Yuum Juan de la Cruz. Juan de la Cruz Tata Tres Personas, or Juan de la Cruz Balam, the same name for this entity, which is one of the mysteries of the Mayab. Many historians have labeled Juan de la Cruz as a Maya fighter or a Maya spiritual leader of flesh and bones, based on the writings of Serapio Barquero. But the truth may be different. In the Maya oral stories and in the Maya holy books like the Almatan or the Utan Juan de la Cruz says that he was not created, but that he resides in heaven. He resides in the right side of his father, Yuum K'uj, the creator. He gave his spirit, he offered his spirit to the Maya macehual, and he came down from heaven to earth to deliver the will of God to the Maya macehual. He reached to Shoken, and from Shoken he moved to Balamna, close to a cenote, where he manifested himself in a small cross. That place became the Maya capital of the Maya fighters, known as Noca Santa Cruz Ish Balamna Compocolcheca. Today, Felipe Carrio Puerto. The messages of Juan de la Cruz inspired the Maya to continue fighting, to continue resisting. In his writings, Juan de la Cruz said that one day the Maya macehual will be free. There is also sermons, historical events, and prophecies. Juan de la Cruz also mentions the people with whom he spoke, meaning the Maya interpreters of his word. The messages of Juan de la Cruz became a very vital part of the Maya spirituality. His writings are collected in the holy text known as the Almatan, the Holy Commandments, also known as the Utan Juan de la Cruz, the proclamations of Juan de la Cruz. Today, Juan de la Cruz continues to communicate to the Maya macehual and continues to be represented in the Maya cross. Green crosses dressed in indigenous attire. And this is part of the Cruzo'ob faith, the faith of the Maya macehual.